Hello students, so this video is going to be very helpful for the ICSE 7th standard students. In today's video we are going to solve the exercise 2nd D, that is of chapter 2, rational numbers. So let's see. So first of all, we discussed about the rational numbers. What are the rational numbers? In previous videos we have covered the first chapter, the integers. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the rational numbers. So as you all are knowing that integers, what are the integers? We have done the addition, subtraction, multiplication of integers. Suppose we are having the two integers a and b. They are the two integers, so we can add them, we can subtract them, we can multiply them, then the result will also be a integer. Is it? If we are adding the two integers, then result is also an integer. Subtracting them, then the result will be an integer. Multiplying them, then the result will be integer. But when we divide them, if we divide the two integers, then this can be an integer or this may not be an integer. Is it? And there are the two possibilities. This can be an integer, but it cannot be an integer. For example, if we divide 4 with 2, then 4 divided by 2, that is 2. Is it? But if we divide 3 with 5, then it will be 3 over 5. Is it? So 3 over 5, that is not an integer. Is it? It is a rational number. Is it? It is a rational number. So any number that is in the form of p or q, is it, where q is not equal to 0, that is called the rational number. So any number which is in the form of p or q and where q is not equal to 0, that is said to be the rational number. So we will do in this video that how to add, multiply these rational numbers. So every integer is a rational number, but every rational number is not an integer, so that you have to keep in mind. 0 is also one of the rational number, because we can write 0 over 1. Is it? Minus 8, that is also a rational number, minus 8 over 1. Is it? Every integer is a rational number, but every rational number may not be a integer. So this thing you have to keep in mind. So let's solve the exercise 2nd D, that is there in our syllabus. So there are 6 questions that are from exercise 6D. So let's solve the exercise 2nd D. We have the question number 1. Evaluate. This we have done the evaluation of integers also. So very first, 5 over 4 into 3 over 7. So there is not the multiple of any number. Is it? So we can simply multiply these. 5 3 is a 15 and 7 4 is a 28. So this is the answer. Second, 2 over 3 into 6 over 7. Sorry, minus 6 over 7. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So it is 2 into minus 2. So it will be minus 4 over 7. So this will be the answer. Number 3, minus 12 over 5 and 10 over minus 3. So minus into minus, that will be plus. So minus 12 into 5 into 10 over 3. So minus into minus, that will become plus. Is it? Because minus is 2 times, so it will become plus. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So 4 into 2, 8. That is the answer. Then we have the number 4, minus 45 over 39 into minus 13 over 15. Again minus into minus, that will be plus. 45 over 39 into 13 over 15. 15 ones are 15 and 15 threes are 45. 13 ones are 13 and 13 threes are 39. So it will be 3 and 3 will also cancel. So answer will be 1. So this is number 4. Then number 5, 3 into 1 over 8 into minus 2 into 2 over 5. So these are the mixed fraction. We will make it the proper fraction first. 8 3s are 24 plus 1. 25 over 8 into minus 5 to the 10 plus 2, 12 over 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25, and this is 2 4s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8 and here it will come 3s. This is minus 12 over 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 to the 5 5s are 25, and 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. So it will come, here it will become 2. So 5 3s are 15, minus, plus into minus, minus, 5 3s are 15 over 2. So this will be the answer. Then we have number 6, 2 into 14 over 25 into minus 5 over 16. So this will be mixed fraction. So solve this first. 25 into 2, 50, 50 plus 12, 14. So it will be 64. 64 over 25 into minus 5 over 16. So it will be 4 here and this will be 5 here. So it will be minus 5, so not minus 5, minus 4 over 5. So this will be the answer. Then we have number 7. So same way number 7 and number 8, that can be your homework that you can solve. Then we have the number 2. Question number 2. Again we have to multiply 3 over 25 and 4 over 5. So 3 over 25 into 4 over 5. So this is not coming in the same table. So 4 3s are 12 over 25 into 5, 125. So this is the answer. Then second, 1 into 1 over 8 multiply by 10 into 2 over 3. So make it proper fraction. 8 plus 1, 9 over 8 into 30 plus 2, 32 over 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 is a 9, 8 ones are 8, 8 4s are 32. So 4 into 3, 12. That is the answer. So in the same way we can solve the third one also. 6 into 2 over 3 multiply by minus 3 over 8. So this is the mixed fraction. 6 is a 18 plus 2, 20 over 3 into minus 3 over 8. So 4 2s are 8, 10 2s are 20. Then we have 3 and 3 cancel. It will be 1. So it will be minus here. 10 into minus 1, minus 10. over 4, so this is also coming in the same table. 2 to the 4 and 5 to the 10, so minus 5 over 2, so this will be the answer. In the same way, number 4, 1 into 1 over 6 into 18, so this will be 6 plus 1, 7 over 6 into 18 over 1 here, 3 here, and it will be 7 3 is 21. That will be the answer. So this is how you can solve the other parts also. Number 4, then we have, sorry, this was the number 5. Number 4, minus 13 over 15 into minus 25 over 26. So 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25, and this is 13 1s are 13, 13 2s are 26. So it will be minus into minus plus 5 over 6. This is the answer. Then we have, randomly I can solve everyone because these are the simple one only. So let's see the last one, number 12, minus 24. Here we can write 1 also, no problem. 1 into 5 over 16. So it is coming in the same table. 2 8s are 16 and 3 8s are 24. So it is minus 15 over 2. This is the answer. So this is how you can solve the remaining parts also. It is simple. Then we have the third question. Third question again, minus 6 into 5 over 18 and minus 4 into 2 over 9. So this is minus 6, so this will 1, this will be 3 here, so it is minus 5 over 3 minus, so it is 4 9s are 36 and 36 plus 2 38, so it is minus into minus plus, so it is 38 over 9. So here these two are in addition now, right? Here is the minus sign, so we have to take the LCM of this 3 and 9. 3 and 9, the LCM will be 9. 3 into 3, that is equal to 9. So LCM is 9. 9 is divided by 3, 3. Then 3 into 5 minus 15 plus 9 into 9, 9 divided by 9, that is 1, and 1 into 38, so 38 minus 15, so it will be 23 over 9. So this will be the answer. So this is how you have to solve third part, third second, 7 over 8 into 8 over 7 in brackets plus minus 5 over 9 into 6 over minus 25. So this is how this one will cancel. Here we have 1 plus into minus, this is minus into minus again plus, so here will come plus only. So this will be 5 1s are 5, 5 5 5s are 25, and this is 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6, so here will come 2 over 15, so here will come 1. So again we have to take the LCM because these are in addition. 15 is the LCM. 15 divided by 1 is 15. 15 into 1, that is 15, plus 15 divided by 15 is 1. 1 into 2, that is 2. So 15 plus 2, 17 over 15, that is the answer. So this is how you can solve. Then we have number 3, 11 over minus 9 into 21 over 44 small bracket plus minus pi over 9, then we have into 63 over minus 100. So this is 3 3s are 9, 7 3s are 21, 11 1s are 11, 11 4s are 44. So this is 7 over minus 12 and plus into minus minus and minus into minus plus, so it will become plus here. 9 7s are 63 and 5 20s are 100, so it is plus 7 over 20. So again we have to take the LCM of 20 and 12, so this would be 60. LCM will be 60, so 60 divided by 12 is 5. 5 into 7 minus 35 plus 3. 60 divided by 20 is 3. 3 into 21 3 into 7 21. So 35 minus 21, so that would be 14. So it will be minus 14 over 60. So minus 40 over 60, it is coming in the same table also. We can divide this also. 7 2s are 14, 30, 2s are 60. So it is minus 7 over 30. Minus 7 over 30. So this would be the answer. So this is how you can solve the other parts also. All the parts are just same. Then we can solve the fourth one, other parts, that will be a homework that will be solved in the same manner. Number 4, find the cost of 3 into 1 over 2 meter clothes if 1 meter clothes cost 3 to 5 into 1 over 2. Cost of 1 meter. 1 meter cost is given. 1 meter cloth, that is given rupees 3 to 5 into 1 over 2. So that can be written as 3 to 5 into 2, that is 325 into 2, 650. So 650 plus 1, 651 divided by 2. So this is 651 divided by 2 rupees. So this is the cost of 1 meter cloth. We have to find the cost of 3 into 1 over 2 meter clothes. So cost of 3 into 1 over 2 meter or 7 over 2 meter cloth. 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 meter 2, 7 over 2 meter cloth. That will be equal to, if 1 meter is this, then 7 over 2 meter will be multiplying with these two. So this will be 651 over 2 multiply by 7 over 2. So this will be, so it's not coming in the same table, so we have to multiply this. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35, 3, and 7 6 are 45, 7 6 are 42 plus 3 45 over 4. So this would be the answer. So in the same way we can solve the fifth one also. That is, the bus is moving with the speed of 62 into 1 over 2 km per hour. How much distance will it cover in 1 into 1 over 3 hours? So as we are knowing, speed is having the formula speed is equal to distance over time. Speed is equal to distance over time. So distance will be, if you have to calculate the distance, then distance will be speed into time. Distance will be speed into time. So distance covered in 1 into 1 over 3 hours. So that will be speed. Speed is 65 into 1 over 2 into 1 into 1 over 3. So that will be 65 into 2, 65 into 2, 130, 131 over 2 into 4 over 3. So is it coming in the same table? So this is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Then we have 131. 131 divided by 3. So this is not coming in the same table. So it is 131 multiplied by 2. So it is 262 over 3. So this will be the distance covered in 1 into 1 over 3 hours. So this is how we have to solve the fifth one. Then we have the sixth one. Divide. We have to divide divide 15 over 28 by 3 over 4. Number 1, 15 over 28 is divided by 3 over 4. So 15 over 25. So when we do this division, we will change into multiplication. Then this will change. Numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. So it has become 4 over 3. So whenever you are interchanging this division into multiplication, you have to change this one, not this one, the next one. This we have to change. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. So next 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. So answer is 4 over 5. This is the answer. Then let's see the second one. Second part, minus 20 over 9 divided by minus 5 over 9. So minus 20 over 9, again we have to multiply this. So it is 9 over minus 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, 1, 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9, 9 cancel with 9. So minus into minus plus, so it will be, answer will be 4. Then we have the third part. (16 over minus 5 is divided by minus 8 over 7. So this is 16 over minus 5 multiplied by 7 over minus 8. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. Then minus into minus plus, 2 fours are 14. Sorry, 2 sevens are 14 over, this is equal to 14 over, so this is coming in any table. No. So it is 9 into 21, this is 189, and 44 into 11, so that is 484. So simply this we have to multiply, this will be the answer. So still, if you have any doubt in any question, you can ask, and rest of the questions you can solve. Thank you.